Well, we got a foldable iPhone?
Yeah.
Is that what we need? Is that going to solve all of our problems?
I mean, one day.
Yeah. Well, this is the folding concept similar to the flip style of folding concept that, of course, Samsung did. There's also some really recent news because Oppo just put out their version of it, making it the second commercially available flippity flappity in the clamshell status, the Find N2 Flip. This is like an hour ago. This just happened because obviously we knew Oppo was doing foldables. They had the Find Fold, the Find Folding. Now they got the Find Flipping. Just like Samsung, the two options. Look at this. You get a large display on the outside when it's in the clamshell. It looks like a mini little phone in there.
That looks great, actually. It looks so funny.
It's the size of 4 cameras tall is what it would be. So anyway, that just happened. And I don't know if Apple is to do the flipping or the folding. Maybe they do the flipping first, the clamshell. Maybe we go back to the ultra portable. Maybe you could just imagine Apple's marketing machine.
Yeah. All the colors. Doing some sort of kaleidoscope thing.
Into the purse, out of the purse, close up, zoom, twist, chat, two.
The twos.
No cockroach over there.
No, not at all.
I want to see that Apple ad. Chat. The plate comes out.
Kaleidoscopes of cockroaches.
Their cockroaches are dancing.
They're dancing.
I buy Apple after that. I buy everything.
What do you buy? What's the ad?
I don't care. I just buy. You understand? It's just That's art, man.
Rotating cockroaches?
Yes, that's art. I'm buying everything at that point.
Yeah.
You understand that? So, yeah, if they do it, obviously they would have the option. They could go this direction. I think most people thought because they've got the tablet, maybe it was going to be more like that, a folding iPad. Like that was the other rumor. But if you think about it, these guys, they want to sell you all the devices. They want to sell you the pocket device. They want to sell you the iPad device. Look at me over here. What am I? I don't even need the cockroach to buy.
Yeah, you already have everything here.
I would buy double if I had the ad that I'm looking for. But anyway, maybe if the phone folds in the clamshell for the portability sake and it doesn't cannibalize the iPad market. Because let me tell you something, once you get into the Z Fold type products from Samsung, you start thinking, I don't really need a tablet because it's more of a folding tablet. You get quite a large screen when it's unfolded. It's like iPad mini territory. So maybe if Apple does it, they go this way with it in the clamshell formation. We have some patents here that seem to describe something like that. Here's an illustration from the USPTO patent. 11,579,722. Whoo, that's a lot of, man. Shows a foldable device featuring sensors on every side and edge. And the image source is Apple Inc. It might make it easier to control the foldable phone. Touch buttons could be placed anywhere on the handset, including the curved sidewalls or the top or the bottom of the handset. Various materials, including opaque and transparent options, might cover these touch buttons. Apple is looking at different materials, including opaque plastic, metal, fiber, composite, ceramics, and more. So touch-based buttons wrapping around the outside of your clamshell, your sandwich, and you're buying another iPhone.
Good times.
Yeah.